नमस्कार. अडेक्स गोवाच्या कोंकणी खबराचित्रांत तुमकां येवकार. 2012 जाल्ल्या एका घडणुकेक न्यायालयान फावो तो न्याय दिलो. ह्या घडणुकेन दोशी थारिल्ल्या गुन्यांवकारांक जन्मठेप दिली. ही बरी गजाल अशें पुलीस निरीक्षक जीव बादळवी हांणी आरडेक्स कडेन उलयतना सांगलें. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर फोंडेच्यान महेंद्र गांवकार.
2012 जेन्ना म्हजी पोस्टींग कॉलेम पुलिशेन आशिल्ली तेन्ना एक सकाळी कॉल येयल्लो की दोन भुरगीं इन द नेकेड कंडिशन आर फावंड एट मोलेम घाटार आनी ताका एक मनीस पुलीस हाडटा ओपीचेर म्हणून. अकॉर्डिंगली आमी इमिजिएटली थंय पुलीस ओपीचेर गेले. त्या भुरग्यांचो बोथ द चिल्ड्रन वेर इन द इंजर्ड कंडिशन. बोथ वे strangulated at the neck and a lot of injuries were there. So we immediately recorded the complaint of the person who brought them. His name is Bove Venture. Because of him we could open up this crime. And then both the children after recording the statements were taken to hospital. Treatment was done and we gathered the preliminary inquiries, and wherein we zeroed down to both the accused who are convicted now. And we have done lot of this was a sequential investigation, means whatever clues we used to get, we should always we have always turned that in the Panchanama, and lot of recoveries were happened in this investigation. And this trial was long trial, and finally but one thing is that thanks to all the witnesses, especially a Kollam police station area which stood by this case, all the government panchas which have deposed nicely to factual position before the court, and court believed our investigation, and the case was convicted. And both the accused are both the Ramesh Bhagwe and Osman Fernandez were given a life imprisonment. The motive behind this was that actually Osman and Ramesh Bhagwe had killed one person, and and the wife and the children were grumbling that they will tell the police and all that, and they made this all the planning to eliminate all three witnesses. Luckily, with the God blessings, mother died, was killed, but both the children who are almost dead came on the road. The child, both the children were put in the valley, which is almost more than 12 to 15 meters. But it is the God who have saved them. Dussagar God is very much believed over there. Saved them and brought them up, and he ensured that the case ended conviction. I am very happy with the justice meted out to both the children who are alive and the soul who died due to murder.
So ती भुरगीं तुमकां ते दरीन मेळ्ळा पळय, त्या जाग्यार तुमकां अशें कितें सस्पेक्टेड बीन कितें मेळ्ळें मर्डरान?
आमकां सगळे वॉट एवर वी हॅव मर्डर इन्वेस्टिगेशनान सगळे पेपरान भितर आसा. सो सगळे वॉट एवर इन्वेस्टिगेशन वी हॅव कंडक्टेड ऑल इज ऑन द रिकॉर्ड, आनी त्या रिकॉर्डा वयल्यान कोर्टान जजमेंट दिला.